Hi everyone, welcome back to our class. Now in this session we are going to be learn one of the important ingredients which enhance the taste of the food. Yes, if that food compound will be not apply or if we not add to the food, then we will not get the taste of the food. So let me discuss about that food compound which is nothing but salt. Yes, so we are going to be discuss about the salts and what are the properties of salts and how does salt form and what are the important uses, importance in our day-to-day life. Let me discuss in this session. So let's start our session. So students, salt is common food compound and we use this salt in our day-to-day life to enhance the taste of the food. And salts we are using to preserve the food items. Yes. So what is the salt and how does salt form? Yes. Salt is a combination of ions, nothing but sodium and chlorine. Yes, nothing but ions, positive ion and negative ion. Yes, common general name and chemical name of the salt is sodium chloride and chemical formula of the salt is NaCl. Yes, here Na sodium, chlorine, Cl is the chlorine. Yes, sodium chloride is common salt which we are using to enhance the taste of the food. Yes, so these what are the properties of salts? Yes, and where do we absorb these salts? Yes, so seawater contains many salts dissolved in it. Yes, here we deposit the salts of solid salts in various regions in the world. Yes, deposits and beds of the salts we will absorb. So here by the process of evaporation, that sea water we will be extract the salt from the sea water. By the beds of the seas we will be make as beds of water by the evaporation process. That water will be evaporate and salt, whatever the minerals and salts will be present there, that will be dried up. Yes, so like this we are extracting the salts from the sea water. Yes, so sea water contains many salts dissolved in it. So this is the what is the where we get the salt and what are the properties of salts. Yes, so what the properties we will observe means what is the color and taste, odor, solubility, and what is the conductivity, melting point, yes, boiling point, what are these? So let me discuss about these properties of the salts. Yes, so yes, salt is a what is the common food compound where we use to enhance the taste of the food, and salts are the ionic compounds. Yes, what are those ionic compounds? So due to these ions, salts conducts the electricity. Yes, and salts are which what is that color of the salts? Yes, generally we observe that white in color. Yes, it is in white, and what it is crystalline structures. Yes, crystalline structure, and it is the odorless. Salts are odorless. It doesn't have any smell. It not produce any smell. So it is odorless. And what is the solubility? Yes, so different types of salts we will observe, and solubility of the salts also different is there. So potassium salts, sodium salts, magnesium salt, and like some salts, these all salts dissolve in water. Yes, and we will observe the different families of salts. Nothing but potassium chloride, sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, and calcium chloride. So if we observe these salt names, then all are chloride we are observing. So this family is telling as chloride family. This salt family belongs to chloride family. If we take the sodium chloride and potassium chloride, then also we can say as chloride family. And if we take the sodium chloride, sodium sulfate, sodium carbonate, So sodium chloride, sodium sulfate, sodium carbonate. Here what is the general? Sodium is there. Commonly we can observe the sodium. So nothing but what can we say the family name here? Yes, sodium family. Means the salt of family name is sodium family. So like this we will be give the particular we will be differentiate the particular family. It is belongs to sodium family salt or chloride family salt or sulfate family salts. So like this we can give the names for the families for the salts. Nothing but we will be differentiate those salts. And what is the pH value of the salt? Yes, so pH value of the salt is 7. Yes, we have already discussed in earlier session the pH scale. By using pH scale, we will observe the given solution is acid, base or salts according to values, according to color change. Yes, so what is the pH value of the salts? Yes, pH value of the salt is 7. So it is acidic nature or basic nature or neutral? Yes, of course. So salts are neutral. Yes, not the acidic nature, not the basic nature. But when we learn about the types of the salts, then we can say that acidic salts, basic salts and neutral salts. We will divide such type of types as like salts. Yes, so here then let me discuss about those types of salts in further session. But now in this session we have to learn about these salts, neutral salts, and pH value of the salt is 7. If we told that acidic salt means below 7 pH value will be there, and basic salt means above 7 values we will observe for the basic salt. Yes, so about this we will be learn in the further class. Yes, so then how do we observe the salts in different forms? Yes, and how does salt form? Yes, salt form in the neutralization reaction. We have learned about this in earlier class. Yes, when acid react with base, then salt and water will be obtained as products. Here salt is a common product in neutralization reaction, and when acid react with metals or base react with metal, then also products obtain that salt and water, and gases will be released. Yes, so like this when acid react with the metals or carbonate or hydrogen carbonates, then also we have observed that salt has formed. So in such reactions we will observe the salt formation. So these are the formation of the salt and properties of the salt. And what we have learned here: properties of salt: color, taste, odor, solubility and electrical conductivity. What about electrical conductivity? Yes, actually salts are neutral. Directly salts, crystal salts, solid salts does not produce means does not electricity, does not flow the electricity, means does not allow the flowing of electricity. But when we dissolve the salt in water, then solution of the salt will pass the electricity. Yes, means through the solution of the salt electricity pass. Nothing but ions, ions will be produced when the salt is dissolved in water. Ions produced, nothing but common salt, sodium chloride. When we dissolve in water, then sodium chloride is divided as Na plus ion and Cl minus ion. Nothing but salt is dividing as ions. When it will be dividing as ions, these ions cause the flowing of electrons, nothing but flowing of electricity through the solution. So we can say that salt water pass the electricity. Good conductors. Means salt water is nothing but conductor of electricity. Yes. So like this we can give the information about the salts and properties of salts, and where do we observe the salt. Means sea water contains salt, many salts dissolved in it, and we observe the different properties of salts. And how does salt form? Means by the acid and base reaction in neutralization reaction, and acid reaction with the different carbonates and different hydrogen carbonates. Then also we will observe the salt formation. So students, I hope you understand about formation of salts and properties of salts and where do we obtain the salts. So hope you understand and read the textbook thoroughly and try to understand about these salts and gather the information of the salts and family of salts but through the internet or by reading the textbook. If you observe in the textbook, you can gather information of the family of the salts. So hope you understand this session. Thank you.